winning over the Lady Warriors 9-2. The Blue Eagles are now at 4, and we have Coach L.A. Mar, Casey De La Rosa, and Kaya Oana. So, L.A., congratulations for this victory. You're now 2 games ahead from number 4. So, what can you say about your team's performance right now as the first one to most number?
Yeah, well, we're very thankful to the Lord for our victory. I think we knew that these 2 games would be very important heading into MU, and we were able to execute the game plan. And I think, as I mentioned the last time, we expect to get better. We expect everybody to get better as the season goes on.
Thank you. To Kyla, you had 4 points, 3 assists, and 2 rebounds. So what can you say about your performance today and how things going so far in your new innings?
I want to just thank my teammates for believing in me. You know, I've been treating the best, but they trusted me and giving me involved. So I want to credit them to those 14 points. And also my baby, has been great. I got a lovely team, and I love my coaches and my teammates. So I wouldn't trade them for the world.
Thank you. To Casey, you have 19 points, 13 rebounds, 3 blocks, and 2 assists. So looks like every game, it's a routine na double-double ka palagi. So how things going so far for you?
I think kulang pa yung ginagawa ko for the team. Kasi may goal kami na kailangan kami, which is yung kami. And always yun ang sinasabi ni May Coach na always yung gagawin yung best ko para matulungan yung team.
Thank you, Casey. The floor is open.
This is arguably your best game so far. Was there anything different about this team that you felt like you were really able to get them to show what they're doing after your success?
I think just changing my mindset. The previous games, I think I was putting too much pressure on myself. I was telling myself I'm going to make shots and need to make everything. But I think going into today, I was just playing my game and then going out there.
Coach, of course, medyo up and down for the first round, pero at this point, probably you're feeling for someone if you're seeing your team heading into the last game.
Well, we have a good match against NU. I'm very happy with what our rookies have been doing, our veterans, and again, we just need to kind of embrace the process. The guy's getting better, if you see, and we're very excited about that. Gracie had a great team the other game, so it's really a team effort for all of us, and hopefully moving forward, there are more surprises coming from our bench and the other meetings. Nakasod ba? Fade away ulit, fade away.
Okay.
Good. Gusto mo ba kami matalo? Ano ba? Ano ba? Ay, okay, sorry.
Yeah, I think i-expect na rin yun.
Wala naman ako magagawa. But diba sa international din kasi ako sasagot na. We want to shoot from the outside also. Not only for Ateneo, but I think I mentioned it before, our goal is to play for the national team and maybe even have a stint get a contract internationally. So we're not just looking at Ateneo for Casey, we're looking at her future. So we allow her to take some of those shots, and she's still working on it naman. Diba? So, paglibre ba na? Paglibre ba na?
44 points in the 2020 season. Siguro nagkaroon ba ng consistent effort na kumbaga for the past few games talaga yung focus is to play cheating?
Sarah. Yeah, we're unapologetic and we are an inside-out Duncan Robinson team. We're really just in. And then whatever the defense gives us, we'll take it. And I think that's why we tell sina Kai, sina Gracie, sina Seng to be ready. But we will always start from the inside. And that's not a secret. So we will live and die by how we play. And that is the identity of the Ateneo Women's Basketball.
Coach, you mentioned it about the surprises of the women's teams. The past few games allowed the team to get more playing time. Parang nagkaano ka ng parang changes sa rotation, I guess, if the situation was great,
Yeah, that's a great question. When we lost Adamson, I had to reflect personally. We felt that we were a little bit tired. And girls like, we felt that there were girls who were practicing very well. Our second unit, who actually gave us a lift today, they can come, I think 15 all. And then our second group with sila Kate Cancho, Nicola Gire, a lot of those other girls gave us energy. And so we want to limit if you've been following me the past 3 years in the UAAP, I'm heavy on my 5. But I think to take us to the next level, we need some of the other girls to step up. And we're trying our best to give them more opportunities. And the past couple of games, they've been stepping up.
Congratulations, Coach
Thank
Mel.
you.